Hello everyone. Today's date is 3 January 2022. I am Amol Ankush Wagmade. Today I have discussed topic of wrapper classes in Java. So basically we have discussed what is wrapper class. In wrapper class in Java provides mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. In Java, autoboxing and unboxing features convert primitive into objects and objects into primitives are automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into object is known as autoboxing, and vice versa. Primitive into object into primitive is called unboxing. So discuss about use of wrapper classes in Java. In Java is an object-oriented programming language, so we need deal of objects many times, like in collection, serialization, synchronization, etc. Let's see different scenarios where uses in wrapper classes. That first one is change the value of method. Java supports only call the value. So if we pass primitive, it will not change original value but it convert primitive value into object. It will change the original value. Serialization. Second one is serialization. We need to convert the objects into streams to perform the serialization of primitive values. We can convert it into objects through the wrapper classes. Third one is the synchronization. In Java, synchronization works on objects of multi-threading. Fourth one, Java util package. The Java util package provides the utility classes deals with objects. And then fifth one, collection framework. In Java, collection framework works on objects only. All classes of collection framework are deals with objects only. That is different types of parts. That is first one, array list, linked list, vector, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, priority queue, DQ, array DQ. The 8 classes are main important in Java language package. That is first one is boolean. Boolean it converts into wrapper class as boolean also. First then second char, then it converts into character. Byte it converts into bytes. Short is also short. Int it converts into wrapper class as integer. Long it also wrapper class is long. Float also float. Double is also double. So we have discussed autoboxing, the automatic conversion of primitive data type into its corresponding wrapper class into objects, that is known as autoboxing. For example, byte to byte, char to character, int to integer, long to long, float to float, boolean to boolean, double to double, short to short. We do not need the use of value of wrapper classes to convert primitive into object. So we discuss unboxing. The automatic conversion of wrapper type into corresponding primitive type is known as unboxing. Unboxing, we do not need use value int value of method of wrapper classes to convert wrapper into primitive. So we discuss custom wrapper class in Java. In Java wrapper classes wrap primitive data types, that's why also known as wrapper classes. We can also create class which wraps the primitive data type, so we can create a custom wrapper classes in Java. In wrapper class, there are three methods to creating wrapper objects. First one is using constructor. In constructor, we have create object that is integer. New object I is equal to new integer. Then pass the argument. Then second method is using value of. Then it's create new object that is float f is equal to float dot value of. Then 3.14 f. Then third method is directly assigning of primitive data type to wrapper references. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you.